Alright, hi Star Babies, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing skincare mistakes that young adults and teens make. This video was actually brought to you by one of you guys. Thank you so much for giving me this lovely idea, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, yeah, I need to spray Windex on that. So there are 5 mistakes that I came up with, and I really don't like using the word mistakes. It makes me feel like I did a bad job or like I fucked up or something like that. So I'd like to call them mess ups in this case. It makes me feel less bad about myself, so we're gonna call them mess ups. Number 1. This one is pretty common. I feel like these are both for men and women or whatever. Who cares? But you know what I mean. Not starting skincare early enough. So a lot of people make the mistake of starting skincare too late, by the time they're a senior in high school or maybe even later than that. I've met a bunch of clients that actually haven't started a proper skincare routine till like the age of 20. It's always great to start creating and accumulating a nice little routine at a very young age, just to help with the consistency and seeing the results, especially before you go through puberty or anything like that. A lot of people feel like their child is too young or their skin will get ruined. There are plenty of products out there that won't ruin your child's skin or teenager skin. And if you don't start a skincare routine early enough, you'll end up getting acne, even if you're not acne prone. A lot of people just accumulate oils in their skin. A proper skincare routine should probably be set by the time you're 12 years old. I feel like that is when the body will begin to go through its changes, so they call it. So there are actually 2 different kinds of skincare that people don't start early enough, such as anti-aging as well as anti-acne. So we'll get into the anti-aging with the next one, but I wanted to start off with the acne since a lot of people seem to be acne prone. Number 2. Not using anti-aging soon enough. A lot of people that I meet, and I mean a lot, will tell me I'm too young to use anti-aging, but honey, those smile lines, laugh lines, whatever you prefer to call them, under eye wrinkles are coming for you. I am literally preaching to you. Please use preventative anti-aging, and if you're already aging, continue to use anti-aging. It's always great to slow it down. I personally love to use preventative anti-aging things. So this can be as well as any serums, collagen boosters, anything like that. So my suggestion is starting anti-aging by the age of 18. However, you are aging every day, but a lot of people are acne prone, so they'll tend to accumulate more oils. I feel like the skin kind of balances out at 18. So number 3 here. Number 3. A lot of people tend to have improper diets. I like the jokes. I am extremely at fault for this one, as I feel like I fell for this mistake myself. My diet as a teenager and young adult consisted of pizza, hot Cheetos, and candy. And well, my friends, I did break out quite a bit. So I would suggest switching out those lovely snacks for some fruits and water, which is what I learned at 21. So I'm here telling you now, please do not eat junk food. Number 4. Not being consistent with their skincare routine, which leads to no results and giving up. A lot of people will go through products and flip through products and just give their skin a bunch of hell, basically. and not letting it rest or get accustomed to the proper skincare routine. So my suggestion is just be consistent and wait for the results. If it isn't working for you or if it is giving you a rash, of course, yes, switch. And lastly, number 5, single. Now this is the biggest mistake I've seen with a bunch of my young clients and a lot of my lovely star babies. And of course people that I just see throughout the streets and things like that. It's not understanding hormones and the changes that your bodies go through. Your body goes through so much when you're in your young teenage years and adolescence. Well, if that's the same thing. It's okay. You have to learn how to love yourself, love the you that you are. So you have to relax and not stress out so much. Like my lovely, lovely husband Julian Casablanca says, it's just a phase, it's got to pass. I was a train moving too fast. But everything passes. The acne scars, the acne itself, it'll pass. Everything's gonna be okay. Skincare will not define who you are as a person. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching this quick little video, and I hope you enjoyed and picked up some quick tips. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to email me or comment down below. I am always here to help. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever it may be. Lindseystarbies, that is me. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye!